Yeah, you're the one that I want. I wanna stay here. I wanna stay here with you. I wanna stay here with you.
It's been a while since I dropped my last video or a vlog, and now I'm in the airport once again. I'm in Singapore, and that was Jewel. Really nice place, really expensive airport, and we're heading to Vietnam because Mary Lou's brother's gonna get married. It's an engagement party there. I don't know what is it like. Is it the same as the Chinese kind? I don't know. But yeah, it's nice to be back, but it's so warm here. It's so warm. And over the weekend I met some friends that was doing breakdancing and stuff. So now it's just waiting for Mary Lou to come, and we're off to Vietnam. Now, look at that girl. Are you ready for Vietnam? Are you ready? Yeah. And that's Father Mary Lou and Mother Mary Lou. Just chilling there. So Xin Chào, and we are in Vietnam. So we're looking at some shoes, and nice person gave us. Yeah, she gave us this little biscuit. It tastes a little bit like cardboard. Tasteless waffle. Yeah, a little bit like cardboard. Oh, and the market is closing. The market closes at like 7, and it's like almost 7 now. But this is like the place if you want to come for imitation stuff. It's full of it, like everywhere. Okay, so Vietnam traffic is a little bit risky, and this is how we cross the road. But you just don't give a shit and just cross that damn road. Super risky, but if you wait, you will never cross the road. So Bangtan Market is a place where you buy all your fake goods, your fake branded stuff, and blah blah blah. And this is where you party hard in Vietnam. Massaging in Vietnam is pretty cost effective. Like, it's not expensive, and it's pretty nice. She's getting her nails done and we're having leg massage.